What if the key to earning a full-time income wasn't in working harder, but in understanding a hidden online system that works while you sleep? Without selling courses, drop shipping, or trading stocks. Most people think online income means passive income from YouTube, affiliate links, or digital products. But there are lesser-known ecosystems operating in the background, silent machines of wealth that almost no one talks about. Imagine a network where companies pay individuals to train their AI, review unreleased software, or provide human behavior data while you're not even online. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now through decentralized data cooperatives, private algorithmic marketplaces, and behavioral mining platforms where users upload their habits, preferences, or creative prompts for micro-compensation. Combine this with the rise of sleep proxy systems, where your device mimics your online engagement while you're offline, and you have the foundation of a shadow economy only the tech-savvy have tapped into. Platforms like Mindspan, a private beta network that pays users for their dream journal entries to train AI narrative models, or the WhisperNet project, where you earn tokens for audio processing during night charging, are breaking the traditional mold. Add to that blockchain-driven auto loan pools that use your dormant crypto holdings to generate interest through micro-lending across borders without your daily input, and you're looking at a passive engine beyond today's YouTube gurus. These income streams require no audience, no personal brand, and no upfront capital. Only knowledge, early access, and an understanding of digital trust. It's not easy to find them, and that's exactly why they work. If you're wondering whether this is the future of income or just an underground experiment, it might be both. But one thing is certain: as the world sleeps, the digital economy is wide awake, and those who quietly plug into these systems now could be the ones who never have to worry about a paycheck again.